Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to write Etsy listings with ChatGPT and save hours of your time every single week. If you've ever struggled to come up with catchy titles, engaging descriptions, or the right keywords that actually get your product seen, this video's for you. You don't need to be a pro writer or SEO expert. With a few clever prompts, ChatGPT can do most of the heavy lifting while you focus on making your products. Why your Etsy listings matter. Your Etsy listing is basically your storefront. It's the first thing customers see, and it's what convinces them to click, scroll, and buy. Photos might grab attention, but your words seal the deal. A clear title, an emotional description, and the right tags make all the difference. The problem is, most sellers either write too little or sound too generic. Buyers don't connect with handmade candle in glass jar, but they will connect with a cozy lavender-scented soy candle designed to bring calm into your evenings. That's where ChatGPT comes in, to help you write like a professional marketer, even if you've never written a single sales line before. Crafting smart prompts. The secret to getting great results from ChatGPT is giving it the proper instructions. If you tell it, write a product description for a candle, you'll get a basic description. But if you say, write a warm, friendly Etsy product description for a handmade lavender and vanilla soy candle, make it sound relaxing and premium and include care instructions, you'll get something you can actually use. The more details you include, the better the results. ChatGPT understands tone, personality, and even the feeling you want your product to give off. Once you've written one perfect prompt, you can reuse it for all your products by just changing a few details. Finding SEO keywords with ChatGPT. Etsy works like a search engine, so keywords are everything. They determine whether your candle shows up on page 1 or gets buried under 1,000 listings. ChatGPT can help you find and use those high-performing keywords. Just type, "Give me 15 high-ranking Etsy SEO keywords for a handmade lavender soy candle," and you'll get a list like aromatherapy gift, eco-friendly candle, relaxation home decor, and lavender soy wax. You can add these to your title, description, and tags to boost your visibility. You can even ask ChatGPT to merge keywords naturally into a 140-character Etsy title. For example, relaxing lavender soy candle, eco-friendly aromatherapy gift for home. That's optimized and sounds natural at the same time. Writing titles that get clicks. Titles are your hook on Etsy. They need to grab attention while still being searchable. ChatGPT can generate several strong options so you can test what works best. Try prompting, write 5 Etsy titles under 140 characters for a handmade lavender soy candle. You might get lavender bliss candle, relax and unwind naturally. Handmade soy candle, calm your space with lavender. Eco-friendly lavender candle, perfect relaxation gift. Mix and match the best parts or tweak one until it feels like your brand. Titles that describe what the product is and why it's special perform best. Descriptions that sell emotion, not just facts. A great Etsy description doesn't just list materials, it paints a picture. Buyers should feel what it's like to own your product. Ask ChatGPT for a description that sells a feeling. For instance, write an Etsy description for a handmade ceramic mug that makes mornings feel cozy and comforting. Include care instructions and mention that it's dishwasher safe. ChatGPT might write something like, "Start your day with calm and comfort. This handmade ceramic mug is crafted with care and designed to make every sip a cozy ritual." The smooth glaze, soft color tones, and sturdy handle create the perfect companion for your morning coffee. You can also adjust tone by asking, "Make it sound more friendly" or "Make it sound more elegant." This way, your listings match your shop's personality. Generating tags and materials automatically. Tags are key for Etsy SEO, and you get 13 of them, so use them wisely. ChatGPT can help you fill them fast. Ask, "List 13 Etsy SEO tags for a handmade lavender candle." You'll instantly get a mix like lavender soy candle, handmade home decor, aromatherapy gift, eco-friendly candle, and more. You can also ask for material lists. List the materials for a handmade gold necklace. It'll give you a clear, accurate list. 14-karat gold, hypoallergenic chain, lobster clasp, ready to paste into your listing. That small detail helps buyers trust your quality. Creating multiple listings at once. If you have a lot of products, ChatGPT becomes a lifesaver. Instead of writing each one manually, you can batch them. Just say, "Write Etsy product descriptions and titles for these items." Then list your products and features. ChatGPT will create multiple listings at once, each complete with a title, description, and tags. This turns a long, stressful job into something you can do in minutes. Just review and edit them slightly before uploading, making listings sound human. Sometimes AI-generated text sounds too perfect. Etsy buyers love personality, so keep your listings warm and human. Add this to your prompt. Rewrite this to sound natural, friendly, and conversational, like a small business owner talking to their customers. This keeps your writing from sounding robotic and builds a genuine connection with buyers. Etsy shoppers aren't just buying a product, they're supporting your story. And that's how you can use ChatGPT to write Etsy listings and save hours every week while making your shop look more professional. Once you set up a few good prompts, it's like having a personal assistant who writes everything for you. Titles, tags, descriptions, and even customer messages. You don't have to stress over wording or SEO anymore. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos that help you grow your business with AI. And let me know in the comments what kind of products you sell. I might use your niche as an example in the next video.